My name is Ed Brown. I'm Professor of Global Energy Challenges at Loughborough University, and I'm here at COP. The reason why I'm here particularly is to draw attention globally to deal with the global clean cooking challenge. Something like 2.1 billion people across the planet have no access to the fuels that you or I would cook on, like electricity or gas. And instead, they have to use wood, charcoal, dung, or even in some of the worst cases I've heard about while I've been here, plastics. And so the use of those fuels for cooking is not only a health hazard, a massive health hazard for the people that are using those fuels. So, for example, more people die from the air pollution that's caused from cooking using these fuels than die from malaria every year. But it also produces as much CO2 as the global aviation industry. It's one of the major factors accelerating deforestation, and also it produces something like 50% of the world's black carbon, which is one of the main reasons why global temperatures are accelerating as quickly as they are. So when you take all of that together, it's not only down to the individual decision a householder takes to shift their cooking fuels, it's also a massively important issue for not only individual countries, but actually for the whole planet. And the COP is an amazing opportunity to raise the profile of clean cooking. And I think coming somewhere like here and recognizing that actually most of the world recognize that climate change is very, very real, that it's a massive threat to all of us, and that it's only through taking concerted international action that we can chart a sustainable future for everyone.